Learning to fully utilize the CRM tools at your disposal can significantly increase your productivity in Clarity CRM. With Claritysoft's knowledge base as your guide, you can strengthen your CRM skill set and maximize your CRM competency. A comprehensive library of instructional content, the Claritysoft knowledge base includes helpful explanatory documentation on nearly all Clarity CRM features, as well as video tutorials, essential downloads, and much more. Get answers and how-to tips quickly. Learn efficient methods for accomplishing tasks. You can even register for upcoming free training webinars. Access the knowledge base by clicking the question mark icon in the upper right corner of the Clarity CRM interface. From the knowledge base homepage, use the navigation menu and tiles to access the various sections. Use the search box to find relevant content for a specific topic or term. From the Download Center, download the Claritysoft Outlook plugin version that meets your needs. Get important software update information from the Release Notes page. Visit the training schedule to register for an upcoming live training webinar or watch previously recorded sessions. Knowledge base pages are continually updated and carefully organized to help you elevate your skill level at your convenience. Learn to create a custom field, configure user interface templates, or explore the specifics of launching a marketing campaign. Whatever you need to learn, the knowledge base contains invaluable instructions on nearly every Clarity CRM feature. Make the most of Clarity CRM's features and functionality with the help of the knowledge base from Claritysoft.